Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, July 3rd. The Zen story for today is titled The Painting That Was Never Signed. In the heart of a bustling city, there was an artist named Renji, known for his breathtaking landscapes. Collectors sought his work, nobles displayed his paintings in their halls, and students traveled miles to learn from him. Yet there was one painting that no one had ever seen completed. For 40 years, Renji worked on the same canvas. It sat in his studio, a masterpiece in progress. Every day he adjusted the stroke, softened the shadow, or deepened the color. His students whispered about it, calling it the perfect painting, but no one ever saw it finished. One evening, an eager student gathered the courage to ask, "Master, when will the painting be complete?" Renji smiled, setting his brush down. "Perhaps tomorrow, perhaps never." Years passed. The student became an artist in his own right. Yet the thought of Renji's unfinished masterpiece never left him. One day he returned to his old teacher's studio and found it empty. Renji had passed away. The famous painting still stood on its easel, untouched. The student stepped forward, eager to finally see it, but when he pulled away the cloth, he gasped. The canvas was almost empty. Just a few strokes of sky, a suggestion of a mountain, and the faint curve of a river. Confused, he turned to an old note Ranger had left behind. A painting is never complete. The moment we think it is, it ceases to be alive. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften it. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Where in your life do you seek perfection? And what happens if you stop? Where in your life do you seek perfection? And what happens if you stop? Can something be complete without being finished? Can something be complete without being finished? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, as always, I invite you to continue with these reflections and also check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.